Alright, welcome back everyone. In Maryland, we're out here on the ridge of Polish Mountain and the Green Ridge State Forest. That's what it is. You know, don't have all these different types. They just got state parks of Texas. We're gonna head out to Mount Polish or Polish Mountain. Maybe get off the trail a little bit and see if we can see a couple of overlooks. See some unique geography, so stay tuned. And let's check out these views before it gets dark. As we've seen on the drive, there's a lot of green. It doesn't look like spring has fully hit the ridge out here yet. Got a little bit of leaves growing, but not a whole lot. Trail. I mean, it actually continues on, but it turns into this fire road. But I'm gonna skirt off trail if I can and head up Boyer Knob to see if we can get a couple views from up there during sunset before I head back. Alright, I did it. Got off trail. Nothing too terrible, but they do have, I don't know if they call them dewberries here or blackberries, but a little bit of thorns, but not too bad out here so far. Up we go. Not a giant mountain, a little over 1,600 feet, but I'm afraid it's going to be all trees and no views. Looks like we're up to the top. Alright everyone, made it back to the car. The ridge is real pretty. It's mostly just that road, so it's a little bit wider than I was expecting. Didn't know what to expect out here. I just knew that I could get off trail. I got to see some good views. The sunset was beautiful on the way back. Make sure you check out some more of these Maryland adventures. Thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.